I think I'll start this job without coffee.
I'll fix his hair some back with this here universal Ford tool. Yeah.
And now we're just gonna add a little bit of coffee. There we go.
I need more!
Is it gonna be a standard or metric? Standard or metric? I don't know!
I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go.
Have you lost your mind?
Hi, bitch.
Oh, yeah!
Say hello to my little friend! What you're looking at is state-of-the-art cutting technology!
Look at that greatness! Yeah! eBay!
If you need a lift, there's one right behind me.
Oh, yeah!
That is fucking weird. Shit. That's not good. Yeah, so if you notice how these are, I actually had to push inward towards my AC condenser and my radiator, and that's the way these are. I believe this is meant to go towards the front of the vehicle. Well, I'm in a not give a F mood, and I just kind of wiggled it and forced it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Whoa, that's a funny looking design there. Alright, as you could tell. Well, I'm not going to take all the credit for this beautiful design. It kind of looks like a sun. My daughter would be like, Daddy, what are you drawing the sun for? But anyways, you can see how it looks like a T like that, and they're all like that. This is actually, God, I love GMCs, Chevrolets. They're usually really easy for working on. Easier than 90s Fords and stuff. Anyways, all you do is you just push it inward, and I just kind of tweak this lip down here at the bottom, push down, and I just bit my fins a little bit. But like I said, I really don't give a... But yeah, so this popped out. I did it with my bare hands, and then that, I mean, it's pretty obvious. I don't need to explain that. But yeah, it kicked on, and it was wobbling really bad, real loud, and it's because my shim busted out of my casing, and life sucks. So that's that. Winnebago, 94, P30 chassis. Alright, well, I finally got that gizmo taken apart. This is the fan, and yeah, so I found this shrapnel in there. I was like, hey, there's shrapnel in there. I wonder what that goes to. Then after fighting it and trying to put it back together, I noticed no matter what I did, this was loose. Well, it's never supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be snug, and sits around the cute little bearings there, like that, right? Spinny, spin, spin. Cleaned it all up, WD-40, and then, like I just said, discovered it was still loose. Well, if you look very thin, you'll see this very, very ever so thin shim. I don't know what you want to call it, but surely you can see it on the inside. There's the opening right where my finger is. But yeah, that was the shrapnel on this side of it. It broke, long story short, and my fan just needs to be replaced, and I don't think I can find a replacement for this. But anyways, that whole wiggle jiggle, if you're having the same issue, it is more than likely the same exact thing, and you're probably just best off just to order the whole new motor, because, well, you're not going to be able to find that. There's that.